Today I'm working on a Speed Queen top loader. The situation is the top loader is filling at normal flow rate for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then after that the flow rate significantly decreases. I'm going to show you how to take care of that in the programming. First of all, we want to get into our programming area, hit program, push start, push the up arrow or the delicates. Until we see CYCP. Push the start button. It says 1. We want to go to 14. We want to push start again. It's at 3. We want to change that to 0. Push the start button. Push the back or warm button to get us out of this. And now your washer should fill faster and the flow rate should stay the same throughout the cycle.